How about Felix? And you can be called Fiona. And you can be Philip.
Sometimes it does sucks. Hi, I'm Rocco, the raccoon. Please don't be too scared if you can hear my voice. Here.
Scared for you, and all your wildest and wettest dreams would come true. They would go out those doors happy, instead of shitting themselves.
His boat, Mom. They're kicking me out because your last check wasn't enough for rent.
You might say Doug is messy, but lately...
No, I'm not going to move back home.
He's been much better at putting his toys away.
Thanks a lot.
Good luck.
Hey, what's that?
It's an arrow, Ted.
You hear that? What was that? My garbage. Mine.
Jeez, you really...
I'd rather get run over by a mommy smusher.
A car?
I won't do it. Go away.
Look, I know you...
The human mouth is called a pie hole. The human being is called a couch potato.
Oh, you guys rescue Buzz.
Baby. Chewing's food code. That? I'm not sure what that is. What do you know? Food! Enough food to hand over that wagon load of food to a homicidal bear.
Huh?
It's just the answers of the bear. You see...
What?
Nothing.
Hanging up my son was the best decision of my life. I have all the cream I can drink and all the mice I can take. I'm getting...
Give me a stupid raccoon right on the wagon wheels, shrimp.
Here you go, buddy. Don't worry. Nobody's driving. Hey, Rabbit, you ain't leaving till you throw Coco dingbats.
The next... The next melding?
No. All right, I need a ride. Madam, I'm a cat in trouble. I'm hitching a ride in your moo-moo. Come on, let's move. No, let's move. Dig. Yeah. Oh, isn't this the final irony? Look who's here to witness this. The mailman. You're so stupid.
Head. Oh, great.
Hope that doesn't come back to haunt me.
Aisha.
What was that?
Sorry, I got a frog in my throat.
Hope it's not my wife.
No, you're so hot. You know that, Rita? I mean, I didn't say that literally, but... Okay, I said that, because you are.
You can crash here until we get you back to your human den.
Ew. This is your home?
Keeps me dry from the rain. Sometimes. At certain spots.
So you don't have a rug? A TV? A fridge? Lights? A bed? A toilet? Central air? An oven? Or even a blanket?
No, and I have no idea what those things are. Here it is.
What the hell is that?
That rug thing you were talking about. Actually, it's fur that used to belong to a rabbit. But he won't be needing it ever again. Because he's dead.
Okay. I guess that works.
How it feels to chew 5 gum. New 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
Fox, you're first in and out. You can really use some water. No offense, but frick you, man.
Ow.
Sorry. It was his fault.
Trying to feed his family.
You don't have a family.
I'm in a family of one. Okay, wait.
There was supposed to be an earth-shattering... A blue cooler.
Purple cooler on my list. Gotta be blue.
Yes.
And I want my double espresso and see if there's some place around here with decent sushi. I'd kill for a spicy tuna roll right about now.
At one.
Oh, yeah. That's funny, and please don't kill me.
Party. What do you say?
Oh, I love parties.
That sounds like fun.
I got a hot cocoa coming.
Huckle bears have hot cocoa.
Well, it doesn't matter.
This party started!
Now this is more like
hook up with a cat at a pound?
Wait, what?
Who are you?
It's Whitey.
Whatever. I need... Oh yes, this is a life.
Woo! Did everybody want to play mini games?
Shut up!
Woo! Yes! Order up for Mr. Rat. What did I say? I am the rat.
My daddy needs a new pair of shoes.
What do you need shoes for? You're a wild animal.
Tim, I genuinely hate you. I have no love for you in any shape or form. Right, babe?
Bro, because you're too ugly. That's what you are, bro. Freak, Billy, I'm leaving. Blue because they think I'm some Easter bunny. Because you're blue? No offense? Yeah. That's what I thought. Also extinct.
Quit being so dramatic.
Okay, I'm done fighting, so what are we gonna do? All we needs to do was a fight back. Humans are no... Now I'm feeling something. Yes, exactly. I think I feel my beak and my heart. Him? He's trying to destroy my dam. We have to kill them. What's wrong with that? And squish them like bugs like they did to us.
Besides,
Just, why shouldn't we squish one of them?
Like it. Finally, they'll show us some respect.
It's like we say in the sky. Flap around and find out.
Squish party.
Clean and tidy, plenty of violence, but no eating. Right, carry on, chaps.
Hit somebody in the nuts.
File 1.
I can almost feel his balls on my fist.
Why are you looking at me like that? Look over there.
How in the heck?
Now what?
oh yes. yes. I've been waiting for this moment for so long.
Oh,
hell,
Bug. You're very small. What does it got to do with you anyway?
Clever, but no match for the fury and might of nature. But first,
That was gross.
Sorry. Wait, I live this way.
That was weird.
What a new critter. And he's adorable. Oh, look at his little boner.
Like killing humans? Yeah, I know what's funny. Open season.
Another squirrel!
whoa, that's a skunk.
Guys, you gotta get in on this.
Back? Like, from the dead? Like a zombie?
No, he never died. He survived being eaten. You play too many games.
Then buckle their necks as you would thine hat.
Leave me alone.
Where?
Buenos dias. Amphibian.
I'm a reptile, actually. But, you know, it's a common...
Whoa, you stink.
That's
Hey, Nancy, stop your honking. These little guys...
There.
Dead to me.
We're gonna go out there
To save your friends and your girlfriend.
before you lose them.
Together. You're all gonna suck your balls. What?
Whoa.
Huh? Oh, no. I meant we're just going along for the ride as you enjoy.
Revenge of humans?
Before you lose them.
Help me with this plane thing?
Was that out loud?
Nice.
Yeah. Point made.
Human.
Key, don't be crazy. You can't take on a whole pack of coyotes. What are you gonna do with a bunch of... Okay. Feel like I'm just holding your hand now.
Hey, you seen it tonight?
Ah, what the hell, Josh? He's just excited. Come on, we'll explain on the way.
All right. Flashlight, a thing, toilet paper, a TV. You win.
Mac, you're hunty.
You can be president of the back seat.
I got diarrhea.
Why, you thieving little boogers?
Why does he say it like that? And how come nobody used that word anyway?
Please. Don't hurt me.
I'll do whatever you want.
Under the hut.
After we cut him off, I'm gonna eat him.
Yes, yeah, mine's better, delicious.
Do it, you old sausage.
You can drive the...
I'm good to go.
All right, let's take off.
I believe I can fly.
Stupid. One. Oh, we like a family together. Okay, this has gone too far. We are not family unless we have to make together.
I hate pigs.
Well. Look what the cat dragged in. Well, boys, it's time to Goon Squad assemble! I call dibs on his butt. I get the tongue. No, what are you... They're thrusting! Oh my god, they're sexually assaulting.
Oh my god, the balls.
Those are some angry birds.
A kid on the team. I just love the sport.
I got you now, you little...
Fire.
I'm tricky.
You just cross your... What? Do I have to do everything myself? Why? Crap. No! Get away from me, you brute!
Yeah, that's it. Beat it like a piñata.
Behind you.
Should have taken the shot, fat ass.
Yes, for setting me up. This is stealing my dad's stuff. Humiliating my family. This one, that's who will remember me. Outgoing.
Wait.
That's right. Keep running.
Just as...
You are a genius, my boy.
Oh, thank you.
Scatter roam, you two.
I'm through it.
What a crybaby.
Pie, you're a day late and a dicking short. And what a dicking it was.
So, how was it?
That was amazing.
Wanna go again?